Hey guys, so now that we have our API keys set up, we can start adding our YouTube accounts, and the setup is very, very simple. But first, before we get started, we suggest that you disable your two-step verification in Gmail just to make this process a lot smoother and quicker. So first thing we need to do to add a YouTube account to Niche Pasta is click on Add. Here you can put in your Gmail login details. So you put in your username and your password. For proxy, you can leave this blank. You can select your API key that you have just added. And for website, we can choose YouTube. I'm just going to put this video on pause until I enter my details because it doesn't actually hide my password here. Now I have added my YouTube account. So the next thing that we need to do is click on the checkbox here and click on Start Checking Accounts and Getting Channels. And as I mentioned previously, the software does everything for you. So all you have to do is just sit back and wait for it to do its job. It's going to log into your YouTube account with the login details that you provided and check the account and import the channels into the software. And the task is complete. So the next thing we can do now, you can see after Niche Pasta has checked accounts and imported your channels, you can see your channels here in a drop-down menu. So you can select your channel and then click on Start Authorizing Internal API. So the same process for authorizing will happen as you saw in the first step. So just to keep this video short, I'm going to pause it and come back when it's ready. And that is done. You can see that the internal API has been authorized. It turns from no to yes. So the next thing that we need to do is start authorizing APIs. So we click there again, and the same process as you saw in step 1 and 2 will happen again. So I'm just going to put my video on pause and come back when it's done. Now you can see that the APIs have been authorized. As you can see, it says yes here now. And that's it. You can now start creating and uploading videos to your YouTube channel. If you have multiple channels, what you can do is click on Expand Accounts. And you can see that it has created another line here with my other channel. And you can start authorizing your channel here by following the exact same steps. The software only allows you to do authorization for one channel at a time. So that's why we have added the expand button here. And similarly, if you click on clone, it will clone it here as well. So you have two options here that you can choose from. If you checkbox all the channels that you want the software to authorize and click on Start Authorizing Internal API, it will automatically authorize the API for each channel individually. So we'll just create a pop-up window for each channel and do it one at a time in the background. So that saves up some time for you, and you can do other tasks while the software does this for you.